Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be analyzing Ethereum against the US dollar, and I will be reviewing one of my predictions made early in May, and also will be analyzing Litecoin. So those two top cryptocurrencies. Before doing so, I would like to remind you our trading web course, which is Learn How to Trade Financial Markets with Indicators and Techniques Unique in the World of Trading, published on greenfair.com. So what we see here is one of my posts published on tradingview.com, and as you can see here it has been published on May the 3rd. The title was Ethereum will be along in June. Why I've been predicting a new ascending phase, so a new uptrend starting in June. The reason is because, as you can see here, we can detect symmetrical cycles. So in this video, you can see here a point of low early in July 17 and then a new low in December 18. And every cycle can be divided into minor cycles. Okay, as you can see here, we had a minor low on April 18 and as well here. So actually what I did was just to project into the future, okay, the amplitude of the cycle. So that's why I came out with the idea that we might encounter a significant low in June, and from there we should be entering a new period of ascending phases, so a new period of uptrend. And actually, if I load a new bar, what we see here is a period of new uptrend. As you can see here, we have every candle is a weekly one, so we have a break above this area. And now, actually, Ethereum is facing a minor resistance around 380 US dollar. Now, where we might move over the next weeks? Over the next weeks, I do expect Ethereum starting or keep going up in a very steady and strong uptrend. So in terms of price action, I do believe we are going to hit 800 US dollar, the 800 threshold. Okay, from this area we might see some minor retrace, but then we should be actually the second area will be around 500 US dollar, and then we would be testing this area 800 US dollar. So we will have time till at least March, April 2021, which means we still have 7-8 months of fully uptrend, because from this area then, as you can see here, this minor cycle is going to actually make Ethereum retracing, okay, back to some significant low, which means which could be actually this area 350 US dollar, okay. Okay, this for Ethereum. So I do believe we are going to test at least over 2021 this area, so 800 US dollar. No, now let's move on and let's analyze Litecoin. As you can see here, I'm really bullish right now with all the altcoins. But of course, the most important one, like Ethereum, Ripple, where I've been actually giving out some price prediction, I'm very bullish. And let's now analyze Litecoin. Let's see what the chart can tell to us. Okay, the Litecoin chart is quite different from the Ethereum one. And now let's discover what kind of price target we can retrieve and we can give out over the next weeks. Okay, as you can see here, this is a daily chart, and actually we are in the ascending phase, and the price is moving steadily above or actually aside the upper band. What happened naturally is that once the price hit the upper band, we should experience a retrace. This is not the case, which means we might have a continued movement upward. But let's move on and let's analyze the weekly chart, because it will be better in order to understand where, okay, we might predict Litecoin over the next weeks. As you can see here, it's much more easier analyzing the weekly chart to understand where we might move over the next weeks. As you can see here, first of all, in terms of indicator, the green line is above the red one, okay, which is actually a very bullish signal. But most importantly, we have space at least until 80 US dollar, but I would say at least till the upper band, so 100 US dollar. So over the next weeks, I do expect Litecoin going to hit the 100 threshold at least. And then from here, we will have to analyze in the future what we will understand in terms of price prediction for the next upcoming months. So for Ethereum, 800 US dollars seems to be a very realistic target. 100 for Litecoin. Thank you guys.